I wasn't going to film this, and my wife said I should, so I'll catch you up to what I've gotten done so far. I've taken these strips of wood and glued them together, planed the surface down smooth, then I marked a circle and cut these corners off. So what I'm going to do next is glue this up to a waste block, and I'm going to try a new method. It's called bowed from a board. So I'm going to take that and turn it into a bowl. I didn't find all the pieces, but I'm kind of thinking this middle section here was cedar, which is a very soft wood. I'm thinking the cedar may have broke. I didn't feel my tool catch, so I don't think that was it. And I may have had my speed up too high, so I'll give it another shot sometime without the cedar. Now we'll see what we can do with what's left of this piece of wood.